Linda Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate a storage jar with ribbons. Now, very frequently you can buy storage jars in department stores, or you can just recycle jars that you have from sauce or jam or whatever, and you might want to make them a little more decorative. Sometimes you can use them around the house for spices or whatever, or you might want to make a gift for somebody, perhaps some scented bath salts or whatever, and present them in a nice decorative jar. So this is a jam jar that I took the label off of. You can use a little WD-40 or Vaseline or something like that to get the adhesive off. And then I'm going to decorate it with a little bit of ribbon. You can use lace, you can use all kinds of stuff. Today I'm going to use ribbon. I'm just going to lay it on its side and take some ribbon and tie it. I'm taking a couple of strands of satin ribbon that's rather thin, but you can use whatever you want depending on the color scheme that you want to use it for, in the room that it's going to be used or whatever. I'm going to tie a double knot, and then I'm just going to make a little bow. I'm using 2 ribbons because that's the effect that I want. You can use one, you can use several, you can use thicker ribbon, all a matter of choice. So I have a little bow there, and I tied it under the lid so you can still take the lid on and off without taking off the ribbons. And there you have a quick and easy way to use ribbon to decorate storage jars. Hope this was helpful. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.